How to verify your Discord account on Android. This tutorial shows you how to add a phone number to verify your account. First, open the Discord app on your Android device. From there, swipe right to bring out the side menu. After that, tap your profile banner icon at the bottom of the screen. At this point, tap Settings from the floating navigation bar at the bottom. From here, tap Account. Following this, tap Phone Number to add your number for verification. After that, enter your phone number, including your country code, and tap Send Code. From here, a 6-digit verification code will be sent to your number via SMS. At this point, enter the code in the field provided and tap Submit to confirm. Finally, once the code is accepted, your account will be verified, and your phone number will be linked to your Discord account straight away. That's how you verify your Discord account on Android. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell so you catch the next one. See you then!